1999 two-door Chevy Tahoe. Used to be a city truck for the water department. We have dual batteries here, clean engine bay. Motor has been redone about 1,500 miles ago. Runs good. Passes smog. Stock exhaust, nothing crazy. Had it painted about 3 months ago. Original color, white. Had these vinyl stripes installed last week. Looks nice. Let's start at the front. We have a 9,500-pound worn winch with a kind of like a vintage bumper, period correct. We have rough country suspension. It's been reinforced, as you can see. We have a custom made snorkel that is mounted as such right here. Got new method wheels, BF Goodrich tires. Sizes, there you go, 305, 65, 17s. Also rough country steps. It's clean underneath. No leaks. A vintage roof rack from Comfort. Really cool. 4 HID lights on the roof with a quick disconnect over there. You can basically take it off. 2 more lights in the front with a center LED bar. Let's get this side too. Look at that. RC skid plate protecting the front differential. The badge, Burbank, California. Got a hijack. Let's see. Interior is simple. Got manual winding windows. We replaced the headliner. And there's also something interesting here, which is a 4-point custom roll bar that is being padded. Right. Factory radio, AC. These are all your light controls here. Now we're gonna open up the hatch, so we're gonna up the window. But before, let's take a look at this. It's a custom made spare external carrier, and it is mounted to the frame underneath like that. So there we go. That's just a stock spare. Shocks hold up. And there it is. This is just a freshwater jug. And this one here, it's safe. There we go. Like that. It's hard mounted here. This is not going anywhere. And then you can also put a lock here, so it's locked. There we go. Let's take a look at this roof rack from above. It's nice and sturdy. Also have a backlight, LED backlight, so if you're backing up on the trails or whatnot, you get better visibility. The paint is nice. It's a 2-stage paint job. Like I said, done about 3 months ago. Truck rides nice, drives straight. It's very comfortable actually with this suspension. Rear seats looking good. Let's take a look at the original service sticker. There we go, with all the options. And of course here are the factory manuals for it. So next we're gonna take it on a little drive. We're gonna get on the highway so we can see how good it actually drives. Now there's sort of a discoloration here. It is because the rain hitting the roof rack and leaked down. There's nothing I can do about it. That's about it. So you got 131,000 on the truck, 131,650. So the motor was redone at about 100,000, and that's it.